Assalamualaikum. This is Chef Haram here. Today we're going to make chickpea salad. For this recipe we need boiled chickpeas, chopped bell pepper, chopped cucumbers, chopped tomato, and chopped onion. To make salad dressing, we use black pepper, salt, lemon juice, and olive oil. If you want to make it more spicy, you can use chopped green chili. Assembling time, we need a big bowl, and now we will start with the dressing. We will use olive oil, 2 tablespoons, black pepper, now we will put 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now we will mix it. Our dressing is ready. Now we will put the ingredients. First we will put the boiled chickpeas, the bell pepper, now the cucumbers, now the tomato, finally the onion. Now we will mix it. You can always put salt and pepper as per your taste. It's ready! You can eat it as a snack, or you can eat it with a meal. It's a very easy and healthy recipe, so you can also try it at home. Allah Hafiz!